Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
what is your name?
My name is Ofelia Garcia Sistine.
How old are you?
I am 43 years old, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Ma'am, I am married.
How many children you have?
I have 3 children, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any experience working out of Philippines?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. Where did you go?
The first one is in Saudi Arabia. And then I finished my contract. I go to Hong Kong, year 2000 until 2013.
Mm-hmm. And then, what is your skills?
Anything, ma'am. I do my best. Anything. Take care elderly, take care babies, cleaning household chores,
Mm-mm.
cooking.
Okay. And then, if your employer is now sitting in front of you, what do you want to tell?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. I want to go back Hong Kong to work. I want to serve your family. I do my best to help you take care of your babies or clean your house and cook your food. Ma'am, I promise I'll do my best to make you happy.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Uh,
Thank
it's
you.
welcome, ma'am. Thank you too, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.